This is a quick video on 3 successful email marketing examples for cleaning services. And what we're going to go over today real quick is 3 examples of 3 campaigns and to show a real life example of what cleaning services can do. My name is Shane Dubell. Our company is methodcleanbiz.com. We are a marketing agency for cleaning services. Visit our website. We have pricing all laid out for purchasing a website to the monthly marketing services that we can provide. So what we're going to do is go over 3 examples. Before we get to the 3 examples, I just want to point out 3 different concepts, 3 strategies that cleaning services want to apply to email marketing. And this doesn't matter if it's residential or commercial cleaning, it would still apply. And that is personalization. Now, the next one is automation. And that is a lot of the automation can be like reminders, especially when you're in residential, appointment reminders. That is a big part of the automation. You still want to personalize though. Crafting compelling promotions. It doesn't necessarily mean promotions. I just can't write out all the different things that you can do. It could be cross-selling. For instance, if you sell house cleaning service, maybe you want to let people know that now you provide stone restoration or tile and grout cleaning or some kind of steam cleaning. That could be a compelling promotion. It doesn't necessarily, a promotion doesn't necessarily have to have anything to do with money. It can if you want it to, but it doesn't have to be. So I just want to point that out. Segmenting your audience. Now, this is a really big deal because ultimately what we want to do is send people the right information. So, for instance, there's a gazillion ways to segment. In commercial, it's a little bit easier because you can segment by the industry. So you can say restaurants, apartments, or professional offices, etc. So that's kind of easy. Residential, it can be a little bit more difficult. You can do it by towns. You can do it by size of the jobs. There's a gazillion ways to segment, but that's important because that's the type of information and you want to mention those things. So if you're sending an email and you segment by town, you would want to mention the town somewhere in the email because that is going to resonate with people more and get you better results. The last concept strategy, regular newsletters. I actually prefer blogs over newsletters because of the SEO benefit. That's what I would do if you hired us. Is I don't like newsletters as much. I think there's a lot more value in publishing a blog on your website and use that as your newsletter. You'd have to format it a little bit differently, but the concept's still the same. You could still publish it in the same concept. So let's go over 3 different examples real quick. And one is this company in New York City, and they do seasonal cleaning tips, which up north, our seasons, we have 4 seasons. We have fall and summer and spring and winter, of course, especially. And all of these different seasons bring up different problems. So that's why they do seasonal cleaning tips. Employee of the month. This is great branded content to show off your employee of the month. I know you think, well, why would anybody care? Because it's branded content. They get to see the types of employees that work for you, who's coming to their building, who's coming to their home. People love this stuff. I would especially use it in social media. It's even more effective there. Exclusive offers. Again, with offers, they can be anything. They don't necessarily have to be about money. And although I mentioned it here, I know, but it doesn't have to be. It can be almost anything you want. And when you say exclusive, that's why earlier I was talking about segmenting, because you don't have to do offers for everybody. You can just do it for certain people. Somebody you want to cross-sell something to, or big buyers. Maybe you want to go to all your big buyers and offer them something. So that's exclusive offer. It doesn't have to be everybody. It could just be a segment. And client testimonials, again, just like social media, these are things people love to see. So these are all really basic things that any cleaning company of any size can do in an email. And another example is another company in Chicago showing off before and after pictures. Again, another great one in social media. This is especially powerful when I would even add a video in for situations where they might not be sure the service or what the service means. I mean, when you're in an industry and do a service, we use all this jargon and we know what this looks like, but people can't always picture you're deep cleaning a wood floor. What does it actually mean? Or you're steam cleaning grout. What do you mean steam cleaning? So that's why showing the before and afters is a big deal, to show them the transformation, but also a video is even more powerful to show them what the service actually is. And the client narratives, this is big with reviews too, that if you're going to show a before and after with a homeowner, then also a link to their review on Google profile, on your Google profile, that would be a really big deal. And of course, a call to action of some kind, a link to schedule something, to learn something, to watch a video. It can be endless. It can be an offer also to secure an offer. And the last one is about different customer loyalty discounts. You could offer monthly services and there's some form of a discount, or maybe they get in front of the line first. Often I have to always point this out because cleaning people go crazy about money-related topics and pricing. So it's not just always about money, but you do have to mention it. You could offer all kinds of other things, same-day service or whatever. Anniversary discounts. This is something that most cleaning companies already do, and you could do it. Depending on the service, if it's a one-time type of service like carpet, tile cleaning, then setting them up on a routine to remind them and to give them some kind of a nudge to move them along. Referral bonuses are huge, and somebody refers you a client, you can offer them $100, $50. There's other things you can do. This is a whole topic in itself, and there's other things that you can do that can even be more powerful if you're dealing with a higher end demographic, that maybe $50 wouldn't move the needle for them, and instead you say you're going to make a donation to the local Girl Scout troop on their behalf, or some kind of a park cleanup, or it could be endless. Cancer, there's endless non-for-profits out there, and if you made a donation in their name for something that you're really into, that could be even more powerful than money. And a lot of the studies show that people like that kind of stuff even more than the $50, because the $50 just goes in the pile of, they're making 10 grand a month. Who cares about $50? But if you're going to donate in their name to something that they are interested in, well, that could get a referral. That could be a big deal. So these are just 3 quick examples I wanted to go through on email marketing campaign. Go to our website, see our pricing picture. Again, my name is Shane Dubell, our company, methodcleanbiz.com. And check out our pricing so we can add an email marketing campaign to your business and get all of this stuff working together.